you're motivated to invest in real estate in Las Vegas because of the growing equity, increasing rental income, and perhaps your future plans of retirement. Please allow me to share 5 tips that will facilitate the purchase process of your future rental home. 1. Get your loan pre-approval letter ASAP. Your loan officer will give you different financing options and the figures related to the monthly mortgage payment and closing costs. In my daily practice, I talk to so many people who want to spend a weekend in Las Vegas and check properties right away. However, they have no clue of their monthly mortgage payment, their expected return on the investment, expenses associated with the investment, maintenance, and management of the property. This is why I suggest our tip number 2, and this is educate yourself. Nowadays, access to education is not a barrier. In order to start your housing purchase path, please ask yourself, do I want to deal with the tenants? Do I have the time and patience to manage the repairs immediately? Will I be able to deal with possible evictions and legal matters? If the answer is no, then your best option will be hiring a property manager who will take care of everything, including tenants screening, evictions, homeowners association, if any, and more. They usually charge up to 8% of the monthly rental income and will transfer the rest of the money to your account every single month. Many people prefer the convenience of this service, and if that's your case, then we can also refer you to great local property managers. Our tip number 3 is know the areas of the city. For this purpose, we invite you to check the super useful link of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. This shows the most updated information on crime rates and other statistics that will be useful for you to make informed decisions. As an investor, you need to concentrate on location, because the location will determine the monthly rental income, rental turnover, meaning the number of tenants who will decide to move out when the lease expires or that simply will renew the contract, home insurance fees, HOA fees, Airbnb regulations, and others. 4. Hire one reliable local agent who will facilitate and expedite the purchase process. Do not call many agents and expect them to show their listings on the spot without having a loan pre-approval letter or proof of funds. Your trusted realtor, and I hope I will be the one, will provide comparative analysis to determine if the listing price is reasonable, if the rental income will cover the mortgage payment, and put you in contact with local insurance companies, property managers, etc. And our last tip is, once you have determined the zip codes that are convenient for you according to the location, purchase price, rental income, expenses, projected profit and loss statements, etc., then come to Las Vegas and visit the areas that you selected at random times and days. Talk to the neighbors, feel the ambience of the community to make sure that your new rental home will not bring you stress. Your trusted realtor will hold your hand throughout all the milestones of the purchase of your future rental home in Las Vegas and represent your best interest. For a complimentary appointment, please hit the link noted on the area below of this video. We will see you in Las Vegas.